Are you planning for parenthood? Disappointed with your recent sperm analysis? Is your sperm quality poor? Wanted to boost your sperm health? Stop Googling too much about it. Here is a complete guide on male infertility factors. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras and thanks for being part of our mission to educate million moms and moms to be. Today, we are going to discuss about male infertility, focusing on sperm-related issues, their causes, and the challenges many couples face in their journey to parenthood. And we will also share some tips to optimize your reproductive health, whether you are trying to conceive or just wanted to maintain your overall wellness. This video has all the crucial information for all men. So watch the video till the end. Sperm health is crucial for male fertility. It is characterized by various factors like adequate count, which is 15 million or more per milliliter of semen, normal morphology, which means normal in shape, good motility, which means movement of the sperm, and poor DNA integrity. Some common sperm related issues include low sperm count, complete absence of sperm in ejaculate, poor sperm motility, abnormal sperm morphology, damage to the genetic material in the sperm. The leading causes of these sperm related issues include smoking, which reduces sperm count and motility, alcohol consumption, lowers testosterone and sperm production, obesity affects hormone balance and sperm quality, stress impacts testosterone levels and sperm production. Lack of exercise reduces overall reproductive health. There are also certain environmental factors, for example, exposure to toxins like pesticides, heavy metals, radiation exposure, heat exposure from frequent hot baths, tight underwears, industrial working environments. There are also certain medical conditions like varicocele, infections, hormonal imbalances, genetical factors, and medications as well. As couples choose to have children later in life, age-related decline in sperm quality becomes more prevalent. Sedentary lifestyle, increased obesity rates, and high stress environments contribute to fertility issues. Modern diets high in processed food and low in antioxidants may have increased oxidative stress, potentially damaging sperm DNA. There are different methods to diagnose this issue, like semen analysis to evaluate sperm count, motility, and morphology, genetic testing, which identifies the chromosomal abnormalities, hormonal profiling, which assesses the level of testosterone, FSH, and other relevant hormones, testicular biopsy in case of azoospermia conditions. Based on this, there are various management and treatment options available like dietary changes, exercise, stress management, medications, surgery, and one can even opt for assisted reproductive technologies like IUI, IVF, ICSI based on their personal therapeutic goals. Understanding sperm related issues is crucial for addressing male infertility concerns. As we face new challenges in the reproductive health, ongoing research and awareness are key to develop effective strategies for maintaining and improving male fertility. Remember, if you are concerned about your fertility, consult a good reproductive specialist for personalized advice and treatment options. Till now, we have discussed on sperm-related issues and their causes. Now let's explore how diet can play a crucial role in improving sperm health. The food we eat significantly impacts sperm count, motility, and overall quality. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which can damage sperm cell. Include berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, pomegranate, dark chocolate in moderation. So these foods are rich in vitamin C and E, which have been shown to improve sperm count and motility. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for sperm membrane health. Good sources include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds. Research suggests that omega-3 supplementation can improve sperm count and motility in men with infertility. Zinc is crucial for sperm production and testosterone levels. Zinc is found in oysters, pumpkin seeds, lentils. A study published in Nutrition Research found that zinc supplementation increased sperm count and motility in subfertile men. Folate, vitamin B9 is essential for DNA synthesis and can improve sperm health. Leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, lentils, avocados are good sources. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that may improve sperm morphology. Tomatoes, especially cooked ones, pink grapefruit, watermelon, papaya are rich in it. A study in the Asian Journal of Andrology found that lycopene supplementation improved sperm count and motility. Adequate vitamin D levels are associated with better sperm motility. Sources include fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, and exposure to sunlight in moderation. Antioxidants can improve sperm count and motility. Organ meats like liver, heart, sardines, peanuts are the food rich in coenzyme Q10. Proper hydration is crucial for seminal fluid production. While focusing on beneficial foods, it's also important to minimize processed meats, high dairy fat products, soy products in excess, as this can affect hormonal balance. Alcohol and caffeine. Excessive consumption can impact sperm production. Alcohol of any amount can affect sperm production. Incorporating nutrient-rich food into your diet can potentially improve sperm health. However, it's important to remember that diet is just one factor in overall fertility. A balanced approach including regular exercise, stress management, avoiding harmful lifestyle factors is key to optimize reproductive health. Alright guys, this is something that you should know before planning. If you have got any queries or would like to know something more about this, then do comment below. I hope this video gave you some important information, so please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. We are not done yet, we still have got some interesting questions to discuss, so let's have a look at them. Can lifestyle changes really improve sperm count? Yes. Lifestyle changes can have a significant impact on sperm count and quality. So the key changes include maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, regular exercises but avoiding excessive high-intensity workouts, reducing alcohol consumption, quitting smoking, managing stress, getting adequate sleep. Studies have shown that these changes can improve sperm parameters in as little as 2 to 3 months, as this is roughly the time it takes for new sperms to be produced. Is male fertility affected by age? While men can produce sperm throughout their lives, fertility does decline with age. After 40, there is often a decrease in sperm count and motility, semen volume, testosterone levels. Additionally, the risk of DNA fragmentation in the sperm increases, which can lead to higher rates of miscarriages and certain genetical disorders in the offspring. However, the decline is gradual and many men remain fertile into their 60s and beyond as well. Can tight underwears really affect my fertility? Yes, tight underwears can potentially impact fertility. The testicles are located outside the body to maintain a temperature of about 2 degrees Celsius lesser than body temperature, which is optimal for sperm production. Tight underwears, particularly briefs, can increase scrotal temperature. A 2018 study in human reproduction found that men who wore boxers had 17% higher sperm count and 33% higher swimming sperm count compared to the men who wore the tighter styles. However, the effect is usually mild and reversible. Does frequent masturbation reduce fertility? Frequent ejaculation, whether through sex or masturbation, doesn't typically reduce fertility in healthy men. While this may temporarily decrease sperm count per ejaculation, but the body quickly replenishes the sperm. Some studies even suggest that regular ejaculation can improve sperm quality by reducing the time spent by the sperm in the testicular ducts, which potentially reduces their exposure to DNA damaging free radicals. However, during active attempts to conceive, it's always best to time ejaculation with your partner's fertile window. How long does it take for lifestyle changes to improve sperm quality? Sperm takes about 74 days to mature. Therefore, most lifestyle changes take at least 2 to 3 months to show effects on sperm quality. However, some changes like quitting smoking can have more immediate benefits by reducing oxidative stress. Consistency is key. Maintaining healthy habits over time will yield the best results for good sperm health. Are there any supplements that can boost fertility? While a balanced diet is best, certain supplements may help you. For example, zinc. It is important for sperm formation. Folic acid can improve sperm count. Vitamin C protects sperm from DNA damage. Vitamin D may increase testosterone levels. Coenzyme Q10 can improve sperm motility. That's all guys. Hope this Q&A gave you some good insights. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advices. Remember, your support helps us create more content like this. See you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and take care.